So to start with the body, I will start from the base with white color. So I will start with magic ring, and inside the magic ring I will make 6 single crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then I'll close the magic ring and start increasing all the stitches. So by the end of round 2 I will have 12 stitches. So this is the first one, and 2, and don't forget to mark the first one. This is the second stitch. I will increase it. The third one, the fourth one, fifth one, and finally the sixth one. So as I mentioned, now we have 12 stitches by the end of round 2. Now I will increase every second one. So this is the first one. I will crochet it normally, and we are all making them single crochet. Then increase the second one. Again, single one, then increase the second one. By the end of this round I will have 18 stitches. So I will finish this round and come back to you. For round 4 I will crochet 1 single crochet, then increase 2 in the second single crochet, then crochet 2 stitches, then increase the third one. I will repeat this process 5 times, which is 1, 2, then increase the third one, and I will come back to you when I finish the 5 times. And the last one I will just crochet it normally. So now I finished the base for the body, which is I have at the end of this round I have 24 stitches. Now I will start with going up with the body. So here I will start with back loop, which is that's the back loop here. That's how to crochet it. We normally crochet from here, but with the back loop I will just get it from the back, and of course I will mark the first one, and I will finish this round and come back to you. Now I'll crochet 2 rounds normally, then I will come back to you when I finish these 2 rounds. as you can see here, I finished 2 rounds after the one back loop here. So we can like see the base and the body starting to show up. Now I will decrease 1 round, which is I'm going to crochet. This is 1. As you remember, we have 24 stitches, so I will crochet 5 single crochets. So this is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then decrease 1, and I will count now 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then decrease another 1, and here I will just crochet the remaining, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is 5. So by the end of this round, I have now 22 stitches, because I have 24 before I had. Then I decreased twice here, and now I have 22 stitches. Now I'm going to crochet 4 rounds normally, then come back to you. After finishing, so here I finished the 4 rounds. Now I will start decreasing 1 more, but this time I'm gonna do a back loop as well. So I done back loop at the beginning of this body when I finished the base. Now another back loop here, so I will crochet 4 back loops, and we don't forget to mark the first one. So 4 back loops, which is 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. And to decrease with back loop, we always like decrease from this side when it's when we crochet normally, but here when it's back loop, I'm going to grab the stitches from the back, and that's how we decrease the back loop. Then I will finish again. I will count another 8 stitches back loop. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and another decrease after when I finish this. The same way, we're gonna grab it from here, 2, and grab it. Then I will crochet the 4 remaining stitches back loop as well, which is 1, 2, So here I will show you how does it look like when we make the back loop. I made the back loop and crocheted it. So by the end of this round, at the end of this round, I have now 20 stitches. After decreasing, I will start with changing the color to blue, and don't forget to secure the yarns, and I'll crochet normally one round and come back to you. So here, after when I finished the first round of blue, I will go again with another 2 more rounds and come back to you. So by the end of this these 2 rounds, I will make like I will crochet, that means 3 more rounds, which is this one and another 2 blue rounds. Then I will start decreasing. So after finishing the 3 rounds, now I already crochet the first one, I will crochet 2 and decrease the third and the fourth one. Again I will crochet 2 and decrease the third and the fourth one. I will repeat this process 5 times. And I will come back to you. So by the end of this round, I have now 15 stitches. Now I will decrease more, which is I will crochet 1, then decrease the second and the third one. And this is how we decrease. I will repeat this process 5 times as well. Now I stuffed the body at this stage, and here I end up with the 10 stitches, as you can see. Now here I'm going to change the color to beige to start with the head. So we will secure the yarns later. I'm going to crochet now, just simple, without any increasing, all around as starting. Then I will finish this round and come back to you. So this round, now I will decrease. As you remember, we have here 10 stitches, so I will decrease the 10 stitches to become 5. So I will decrease every 2. So I will finish this round and come back to you. Now I have here 5 stitches. I will start with the head, so I will increase all the stitches to get at the end of this round 10 stitches. So I'm going now to increase them again. And I will finish this round and come back to you. Now here I have 10 stitches. I'm going to increase every second one to get 15 stitches at the end of this round. So this is the first one, and the second one I will increase it to get at the end of this round 15 stitches. I will repeat the increasing 5 times. For this round I will crochet 1, then increase second one, then I will crochet 2 single crochet, then increase the third one. I will repeat the last thing, which is crochet 2, increase the third one 4 times. So 1, 2, then increase the third one. So I will finish the other 2 times and come back to you, and crochet 1 single crochet at the end of this round. And now we have 20 stitches. Now I will crochet 3 single crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, then increase the fourth one. Again, I will repeat this process 5 times. So I will finish this round and come back to you. And by the end of this round, I will have 25 stitches. Now I will crochet 3 rounds with no increasing and come back to you. Now after finishing 3 rounds, normal 3 rounds without any increasing, as we mentioned, these are 25 stitches. Now I'm going to start with decreasing, so I will crochet 1, 2, 3, then decrease the fourth and the fifth one, and I will repeat this process 5 times and come back to you. So here I finished this round and it's 20 stitches. I'm going to decrease the other second round, which is I'm going to crochet 2, then I will decrease the third and the fourth one. So 2 normal ones and crochet decrease the third and the fourth one. So I will repeat this process 5 times, and by this time, by finishing this round, I will stuff the head and make the neck to be firm by stuffing it, and I will come back to you when I finish this round. Before stuffing, I forgot to mention we have to attach the eyes. I attach the eyes between the round 6 and 7 from starting the head, and you can estimate it just like the way you like it. And I attach the safety eyes, and I will now stuff the head and complete closing it. Here, after stuffing the head and attaching the eyes, I will now crochet one single crochet, and then one single crochet, and decrease the second and the third one, and repeat this process 5 times. So I will just mark the first one and finish this round and come back to you. Now at this round I have 10 stitches. I will now decrease every 2, and this will be the last round for the head. I will repeat this process 5 times as well. And this is the last 2. And here the head done. I will remove, and I will cut the yarn and just attach it inside the head, and we will start next step, which is the arms. And here I'm closing the head, For the arms, I will start with magic ring, then I will make 4 single crochet inside the magic ring. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I will just crochet the 4 stitches, which is I'm not gonna increase anything. I will just crochet it around and try to push back the stitches, the ring, the magic ring, and just crocheting. And don't try to make it like make bigger more stitches. Just stick with the 4 stitches that you made from the magic ring. Don't increase it. This is how we go up with the arm. I'm not counting here. I need like specific length for the arms. I will show you, as I already made one arm, so we need just to match it, match the length. As you can see here, this is the arm that I made, and we need to match the arms, so I just need more to crochet one more round. Then I will start with the blue one. As you can see here, keep measuring to make the both arms same length, especially when you have two colors, because the one I made it before, I didn't measure. I just made it the way I like it. Then the second one, I have to match it to keep the same length that I want. So here, as you can see, I reached the length that I want for the beige color. Now I will start with blue. So here with the blue color, I will just stick with my stitches. I'm not gonna increase them, and just go around same way. And all these extra yarns, just try to push them inside the arm. It's gonna be a bit hard, but with these needles, you can just push them from this side. So as I told you, we're gonna crochet and keep matching the both arms. To get exact equal arms with length and with color. And without even any increasing the stitches, because we need it like that. If we're gonna increase it, it's gonna be like circle, yeah. So we're just gonna keep it the same stitches 4 as we started. It's a bit hard to crochet 4 stitches around, but this is the way we make arms. Especially when you have 2 colors, just I mentioned before. And as we said, keep matching. We still need more, so I will finish it and come back to you. To attach the arms, I will just glue them, but I will leave it for later because I need to make more details for the clothes, and then we will assemble it together. For the cape I will use red color, so I will chain here 12 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I will ignore the first two, skip them. Then from the third one I will start with double crochet till the end of the chain. That will be the first row. So I will finish it and come back to you. Here, that's how it looked like after finishing the first row. Now I will chain 2, and again from the first one I will start my double crochet, then I will finish it. That means I'm increasing here because with the chain I started straight away from the chain. I started again 1 double crochet here, so that's the way how I will increase the stitches. So I will finish this round and meet you at the end of it to tell you what to do before ending this row. So here, this is the end of the row, and I will add one more here. So by the end of the second row I have 12, as I already started with 10 stitches because I ignored the last two. So I just crocheted here 10 stitches, then I went back with 12, which is I increased from the beginning and the end of the row. Now I will chain 2, and again I will add here on the same one. I will add 1 double crochet and crochet normally until the end of this round, and I will meet you when I finish it. And here at the end of the round I increased the last one, so I'm increasing the first one and the last one from each row. So here I have now 14 stitches. Again, as I'm counting the chain, like when we go back here, I'm counting the chain as 1 and starting from the same stitch with another double crochet, and at the end of each row I'm making 2 instead of 1. So that's the way we're gonna have this shape. So I will now crochet, double crochet, and meet you at the end of this round. So here at the end of this round I have now 16 stitches, and again I'm going with another 2 chain, and this is the way how we make the cape. And I will keep going for this round, and at the end of this round we're gonna have 18 stitches, as I'm adding 2 each row. I'm increasing the first one and the last one of each row. That's how we have this shape. So I will finish this row and come back to you. And that's another row, which is I'm doing the same process, increasing the first one and the last one and crocheting normally inside all the stitches, but the first one and the last one I'm increasing them on each row. So I will meet you when I finish this row. So here I finished the cape after 7 rows. I started with 10 stitches and ended up with 22 stitches. As you always, if you want to ask how many will be at the end of the rows, the row 7, so they are 22. And here I'm gonna cut the yarn and attach it to the body.